This is the DEKAVA paper towel holder. This is a 13-inch paper towel holder. You have two options to secure this to the wall. It's got a self-adhesive on the back right here, and you could screw it in. In this application, this is a retail bathroom here. We just used both options. So we basically use the self stick on the back, and then we put the two screws in here with the anchors that came with it, and it's been holding up really well. You can see here, you could put a lot of pressure on here. It's not going to pull off. It's not going to move. This is just a really great option for a paper towel holder. Comes in multiple colors. We're a repeat buyer of this. You can see here, this is a standard roll of paper towels. Just fits in here nice and easy. Just comes on and off. But overall, we're very happy with this mount. It's been working great for us in different applications. We use it in rental properties a lot. Never have any issues with it. Never had it come off the wall. You can see it's made very, very well. It also comes with an extra adhesive sticker here, so if you wanted to take it out and re-put it somewhere else, you're able to do that. But overall, I'm very pleased with this. Highly recommend checking this out. Again, this is the black color here. It does come in multiple colors. We have the brushed nickel in many of the properties, and overall just very, very pleased with it. Again, it's a 13-inch paper towel holder, self-adhesive, and you could screw it in if you want to, but this is a really great item.